Now, Media Browse is our third tool on the right-hand pane that we have within our Crispin Core's webRPX. This is a simple way to look at all of the server inventory you have on a given channel. If you have more than one video source, it'll be selectable in this drop-down list. Now, like most people here, I've got a lot of clips on my server, so it's way more than I'd want to scroll through. So I can simply go ahead and search for things to filter this out a little bit as well too. If there are things I commonly use, it'll remember this, just like anything else in Chrome. I'm going to cheat here and go ahead and let it do that for me this time. But I could, of course, manually type anything new, either as an ID or the comment on this particular item for it to show up in my list. So when I search for this, it's narrowed it down to anything that starts with this DG spot, essentially. And if you're familiar with our event cabinet, this is similar in some ways, in which that it's a drag and drop interface. Right? And it will look very similar for you as well too. So I can drag this anywhere I want to in my playlist. And again, it's kind of like playing chess, where until I let go of that mouse button, I can abort this action as well too. So I can be really sure that it is the spot that I want and where I want it before I commit to adding it to my playlist. Checking on this, I can see that this is going to add DG spot 110 with the duration I expect, and I want it right here, so we're good to go. Dragging it in, now it's been looked up in my list and that's ready to play. Adding content with Media Browse is as simple as that.